To fix the Dyson blinking yellow light, start by understanding what the light indicates. The blinking yellow light on your Dyson device typically signals a problem that needs to be addressed, such as a blockage, full dustbin, or filter issue. First, check the dustbin and empty it if it is full, as a full dustbin can trigger the blinking yellow light. Make sure to clean the dustbin and its surrounding area to ensure proper fit and function. Next, inspect the pre-filter and wash filter for any blockages or debris. Remove the filter and wash it with cold water. Then let it air dry completely before replacing it. Ensure the filter is properly installed and seated to avoid any issues. Check the vacuum cyclone and bin for any blockages, such as hair or string, and remove them carefully. Use a soft brush or cloth to clean the cyclone and bin, paying attention to any narrow openings or crevices. If the issue persists, reset the Dyson device by unplugging it from the power source, waiting for a few seconds, and then plugging it back in. This can sometimes resolve the problem by restarting the device. It is also essential to check for any software updates for your Dyson device, as outdated software can cause issues. Refer to the user manual or the manufacturer's website for instructions on how to update the software. Regular maintenance is key to preventing the blinking yellow light issue. Clean the filter regularly, check for blockages, and ensure the dustbin is empty to keep your Dyson device running smoothly. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Dyson blinking yellow light and get your device back to working properly. Remember to always refer to the user manual or contact the manufacturer's customer support if you are unsure about any step or if the issue persists.